Hi guys, okay, so today I decided to make a little shapes game or toy for the younger kids. Okay, so I took a pizza box and decided I'm gonna do 3 shapes. A circle, I used the Pringle box to trace it and then I cut it out. The square, I used the medicine box, traced it and cut it out. Then I used the biscuit box to make the rectangle. Okay, so now I just need to cut it to make it all even. Okay guys, so I cut them evenly, and when you cut the shapes on the box, make sure it's smaller so that this is sturdy and that it doesn't fall out. Okay, so it's cut now. I have to make the shapes to go inside. For the circle, I chose to do like a little ball with plastics. I just crunched it up and that's gonna go in the circle. And then for the square, I just took an Oreo box, took this cardboard, cut it and put it there, put some cello tape in for the square. And then for the rectangle, I took that same Oreo box, closed it up here, and this would go into the rectangle. And that is my toy. Okay, peeps, can you do it for me, please?
Okay. Do it. Do it. Yeah, do it.
Wow, well done.
Do it. Do it. Talk it. Yeah.
Yay!